everyone of Bee Swarm Simulator. We are going to be going from Noob to Pro. And yep, I suck. This is not my main account. This is... Oh, how do you check your name? I'm Lightning YT Bees. Alright, let's go. Let's start it off. Where's my bee? Oh. If you give me a basic bee, you're adopted. Dang on it. I'm sorry. On it, don't ban me, please. I need to get into that test round. On it. I'm sorry. On it, bro. Please. I swear to God. If you ban me, you're adopted. I meant if you ban me, it's alright. I'll just like make a new account, but you know. On it. I know you wouldn't do that to me. Let's go. Auto clicker comes in. Oh wait, I'm done. An auto clicker did not. Wait. Excuse me. Doesn't click. Yay! Okay. Look at this freaking pay-to-win loser. This is why we're not pay-to-win losers. Dandelion field. Basically, do your dang job. Also, I'm just gonna use, you know, a few codes real quick. Codes. You know. Things we all love. Alright. Oh, screw that, I want more bees. Only 3? Oh, he gave me a bucklebee. If you give me a basic bee, you're pretty cool. Looks like he's pretty cool. Now, I have a very deep, dark secret that no Bee Swarm player in the histories of Bee Swarm would know about. There's actually a roller jelly right here. Give me that roller jelly. Ready, set. Ah! Alright. So let's go. Let's put my royal jelly on my back. I like this basically better. Bumblebee! I think we're becoming a blue hive, guys. Take away my honey! So, I'm gonna be back with you guys once I am a little bit better, you know? Once I just get a teeny bit better. Be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and I finally finished this quest. Now I got a little bit of better gear, because you know my gear was kind of... So, and I'm at 4 bees right now. I could probably buy my next one. I can actually, I'm going to do that. And then I'm going to go get my silver egg while I'm walking. Of course you give me basic bee. Alright. So let's go here. Impressive. Thank you for my silver egg, honey buns. So let's go back. Alright, if you give me a mythic bee here, I'll cry. A bumblebee. That's not bad. Actually, we're blue hives, so technically that's kind of good. Double up with 1. And then we're going to upgrade my bumblebee, because he seems to be doing really good work. So, we got to go to the bamboo. Oh, wait. We got to empty my backpack. Alright. Let's empty my backpack real quick. Poor bee's only level 1. Let's level him up. Oh. Dude! I can't level it. Okay, there we go. Don't mind my struggles. I'm gonna cut your... Oh! These guys don't move quicker. If they don't finish in 5 seconds, something's gonna happen. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're lucky. I'm gonna cut you guys clean for now. Let's go to the bamboo field. Just walking. Oh no. there's a pay to win. Cringe! Finally, I'm done with that. No, I'm going away. Don't even attack him! Wasted their time. Oh, look at this other pay to win. Cringe. Oh, festive gifts! Yes! These are super good. For noobs like me. Thank you. 5,000 red pollen. Alright guys, I'll be back once I am done with that quest. Alright guys, we have finally finished my red pollen, so let's go to my black bear. And let's see if he'll give me some good stuff. 2,500, nice. 6. Alright guys, I finally finished the spider quest. It didn't actually take that long. It took like 5, not even. Like, oh, I'll take this any day of the week. Alright, back to what I was doing. So, finished my spider quest since, you know, it's OP. What is the next quest? So, yep, I'll be back once I'm done with this crappy quest. Alrighty guys, we are back. We finally finished our Lishaliest loot quest. It was, to be honest, not that bad since I got this 10,000 backpack. But now, it's just gonna take a little while to, oh wait, hold on. Hold up, wait a minute. I forgot. There's a dispenser to get bees. What type of level of idiot am I? Our basic bee! On it. You're adopted, bro. Like, let's just admit that. Alright, let me make this honey. Let me just feed him like a treat, just so we can do it a little faster. But I'll be right back once I'm gonna do my next, then I get my next quest. Hold on, let me show you guys my next quest. Real quick. Let me just go collect it. Claim it, sorry. 10,000 white. That's perfect. Spider field. I'm doing that. Alright. I'll be back once I'm done with my white pollen wrangler. Alright. Alright guys. I don't know why my recording didn't save. But basically, I got my new quest. And it's the pineapple patch. And I don't have 10 bees yet. So right now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go grab a free will jelly over here. Just so I can get 8 types of bees so I can use the slingshot. But I'm trying to remember. Oh yeah, I'm a bamboo. So I'm just gonna be grabbing these raw jellies real quick to use them on my bees. Hopefully I get new types. Not the same types. Sorry, I still have my board. There we go. Wait, no, we gotta go this way. Please, guess what I got for Alright. Wait, can I just like use my jellies from over here? Oh yeah, I can. Look at me, yes, okay. brave bee. Okay. Sweet. Now I have 8 types of bees. I just need to get 10 bees. So let's work in this field. The bamboo. Rain. 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 So I'll be back once I got 10 bees. Alright guys, I'm just gonna be doing a little bit of cheating. It's not too bad. I'm just getting my main account real quick, and I'm gonna give me 1 sprout. All the cheating I'm gonna be doing besides something in the next episode. You guys won't get to know that until next episode. But yeah, so wait, can I get my XP? I'm gonna log my main account off. Just to prove I'm not gonna be cheating no more. Oh no. He still hasn't logged off. My phone is turned off. Well, he can stay there until he gets kicked, but okay. Oh yeah, I didn't even get the thing I wanted. We're good. Oh yeah, we're definitely good. Okay. Now, let's go back and sell. That takes a minute, so I'll speed it up when I get there. Alright, I'll speed this up. Alright guys, stop working on it. So we're gonna get our next bee real quick. Boom. Next bee acquired. Well, 10th bee acquired. Okay, please don't be a basic bee. Obviously that's my okay. So let's do these rare jellies real quick. Honeybee. WB right there. WB. That's a really good bee to have. And then another liquor bee. I already have a liquor bee, but whatever. No, not sunflower seeds. I need those. I'll feed them. Fine. Alright, good. And the pepper patch? Yeah, that's 35 bees. I'm not going there for a little while. Honeybee is a really good bee. Alright. I can't get 2,000 in my backpack. I gotta get to that field. Come on, bees. Come on. Turn the radio on. Oh, we got more backpack. Oh, I'm not in the group still. Oh, hey bees, you wanna hurry the hecky up? Cause I got some. Let's get some speed. Let's zoom on over. Alright guys, we finally made it to the bear. You know, our favorite bear. Come back when I've collected just 16,000 pollen. That's easy. Now, one thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over to the shop, the basic shop, and I'm gonna buy myself some boots. Can we get the helmet? Ooh. That's too expensive. I needed my boots. My feet are sticking out. Alright. Alright. So I'll be back with you guys once I'm finished with my pollen fetcher. Darn it, I accidentally played the next quest without you guys looking. So this is my next quest right here. Not too bad, but it's a little different. So what I'm actually gonna do here is I'm gonna do some off-camera grinding. Like I'm gonna off-camera grind for a little bit. I'm gonna grind up some honey, like a lot of it, and then I'm gonna off-camera grind. I'm gonna get to where I'm at the gold egg quest, and then I'll get back to you guys. I'm just gonna do some off-camera grinding for a little bit. Peace. Alright guys, as you can see, done just a teeny tiny bit of off-camera grinding. You know, it wasn't that bad. Totally didn't get a ton of honey. Now, give me my helmet. Now I look fresh. Okay, so I've done a lot of off-camera grinding. Well, you guys were in the shadow realms. It's been like an hour and a half. So let's just cop some bees. How many bees did I get? 8 eggs? That's gonna put me at like 18 bees. There we go, they're all level 3. Now, I have something. Wait, you can actually buy mythic eggs in here now? Wait. Oh, they're lame. They upped the price of gold eggs? Why? Oh my god, Beast 2,000? Who the heck is gonna buy that? Where's the Cup Buddy? They got rid of Cup Buddy? Wow. I don't want to buy a silver egg. I want a gold egg. Fine, get a silver egg. Don't want a silver egg. I want a gold egg. Alright, whatever. Then Kobe. I don't want a Kobe. Whatever. And you get 10 treats. I feel like you're special. You're still okay. Whatever. Alright. So now I'll be back because I'm gonna do. Oh, I got a lot of bees now. How many bees do I have? I almost have 20 bees. So now I'm just gonna grind until I get that gold egg. Be right back. Alright boys, we finished our gold egg quest. So let's go turn that bad boy in. Get our gold egg and hit 20 bees. Here we go. Oh yeah, gold egg on the board. Diamond egg. Alright, I'm here. 50,000 white pearl. That's easy. But hold on. Alright. We have a slim chance of a legendary bee. I'm hoping it is a legendary bee. We get our first legendary bee of the video, but it's most likely not gonna happen. Here we go. Hey, that's what I'm talking about. On it, you're the best. Thank you for that luck. Oh my, we got the music bee too. That's perfect, because I'm gonna be a white hive for this series. So, wait, how many much more do I need to level them up? Because I want to get them to 4. Oh god, that's a lot. So yeah, I'm going to be a white hive when I first. Okay, we have a ton of pineapples. Let's level them up. Let's get all my bees leveled up a bit. I'll be back once I'm leveling up my bees. Alright guys, we are done leveling up our bees. We got one level 6, level 5s, and 4s. So yeah, I think that'll be it for this episode. Not gonna lie, we did pretty good. Got our first legendary bee, our music bee, which actually will help for our white hive since he's a white bee. Well, he's colorless, but colorless is our white. So yeah, that's super good. And yeah, make sure you like and subscribe if you want more bee swarm. And yep, see y'all in the next video.